What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I've made plenty of videos talking about different investments that I've made. And there's certain ones that I go heavier on that I've talked about more, even when we didn't have a lot of hype and attention on it, right? One of those big plays that I talked about before many YouTubers came on and was like, Jasmy this, Jasmy that, was that JasmyCoin, right? Many YouTubers would come up and go, oh, JasmyCoin ran by 100%, 200%, 300%. Let me talk about it, right? We were talking about JasmyCoin before the actual push. And yes, it is down. It is at a lower level compared to where it was at its high point. But that's what made me go all in on JasmyCoin at these low levels. So I want to talk about my position in JasmyCoin, why I'm all in on it, and hopefully you guys just get a little bit more information or give you that little push to say, yeah, you know what, Jasmy is a really good play, and you either buy it or you look at it differently. Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. And don't forget about the video sponsor of today's video, FortisX. FortisX has been doing great things on their platform because they keep your holdings working for you. If you are a person that's been holding cryptocurrency for a very long time, Mark Cuban said it best, right? He's holding things that gives him value, that gives him something or pays him something for holding it. And that's kind of what you get with FortisX. You have the ability to earn up to 19.58% variable APY. With liquidity pools, you have managed staking, you have no lockups, and you can withdraw anytime. And you can trade some of the largest cryptocurrencies that are there. You're talking about XRP, Ethereum, USDT, and others, right? You're talking about $135 million of assets that are allocated, including mine, built for long-term holders just like you and me, right? If you wanted to break it down and see where they came from, you can go and obviously ask them questions, but also see the information that they have here, right? Audit reports. You have operating since 2018, so you have that longevity. You have a public U.S. filing Form D. And again, you can withdraw anytime. There's no lockup periods. So feel free to check it out. Feel free to check out the link to FortisX at the top of the description. Again, they're offering things like liquidity pools, like managed staking, and giving you the ability to earn estimated rewards. Let's say on $50,000 for XRP, you can earn up to $10,000 within that 1 year time frame. If you held it for as long as I held XRP for, you could have earned $72,000 within that time frame. Sounds amazing to me. Sounds amazing to you, and it sounds amazing to anybody that looks at it. So, obviously, results may vary depending on what you invest, your investment size, and also the variable APY at the time of purchasing it as well as holding it. So, definitely check it out. Link will be at the top of the description, and thank you, FortisX, for sponsoring this video. Now, JasmyCoin currently stands at a 0.005599 level. It is down by 4.39% in the last 24 hours. In the last week, it's down by 20%. In the month, it's down by 1.7%. So seeing it at a $276 million market cap is not concerning, but it is at a 123 spot. I just wanted to say that. 123rd by market cap. You have the volume that's up by 82%, but still only seeing about $16 million worth of volume. 5% volume to market cap ratio, and inching our way closer to 100,000 holders. Now, I've been holding JasmyCoin for a very long time. JasmyCoin, I've even been viewing JasmyCoin for a long time. When JasmyCoin first got introduced on Coinbase, it was definitely something that was desirable. And many people were like, look at this. This is it. This is the next thing. And I was like, I want to see the supply dilute the price first. And that's what I waited for, at which once I saw that, I decided to get into it. Now, I got into it at about a 40% of a penny level. And many people would always say, why are you talking about JasmyCoin? Why don't you talk about Shiba Inu or Dogecoin or some of the utility plays, the main utility plays? Why are you talking about this thing that's outside the top 300 at the moment? Like, why? And I was like, I believe in this because I've looked into it. I see what they are doing. I see the potential. And I also see what's going to happen in the near future as well as the distant future, right? I'm not saying like I'm a psychic or anything like that, but I read into things and I'm looking for opportunities rather than something that the opportunity already passed. You know what I mean? Not saying that all these other positions on the market, their opportunity passed because I hold a lot of different positions. But not looking for something that already has expressed that beginning stage, boom, right? Opportunity. And that's where we are with JasmyCoin. You're getting a second opportunity here to purchase it at these levels, but that's just my opinion. So I originally purchased at 40% of a penny. It currently stands at about 55 or 56% of a penny. The highest point that it got to was about 6 cents, which was not only double what I purchased it at, but it was basically 10x, over 10x where I purchased it at originally. And as I saw that, I still saw so much more success than where it stood there today, or where it stood at that point. So what I said was that I'm gonna, stay invested into this, and if it comes down low enough, I will double down and triple down. Well, that's what I decided to do. I had 1,000,000 JasmyCoin in my possession. I currently have 3,000,000 Jasmy. I didn't only double down, I tripled down. I said JasmyCoin is going to be worth a lot more. They're doing a lot more things, right? They are, you're seeing, partnerships and use cases and conversations within, the framework of utilizing cryptocurrency. That's what we as investors, as long-term investors, want to see. Short-term investors, you also want to see it. You want to see that hype, you want to see that push. And JasmyCoin does have that. So I have 3,000,000 JasmyCoin, 16 to $17,000. I have an unrealized gain of about $93. I've seen this go down and was worth less, right? While I was up on my play, I can be down on my play at times. I don't have an average cost basis of 40% of a penny level anymore. I have a 56% of a penny level as my cost basis because I decided to purchase while it was lower than 1 cent. I am not ashamed of that. I went all in on it because I truly do see the value in JasmyCoin. And again, you can say whatever you want. You can say JasmyCoin is going to zero, which it already is. You're saying that it's just not going to, it's going to be worthless, or I'm going to lose all my money. I don't care what you say, right? This is my investment. It's my choice to decide to get into these plays. And I make money from these plays. So no matter how much you tell me what my strategy is doing, I will tinker with my strategy as I see fit. But I don't see any necessity to do so. So I want to know what you guys think about JasmyCoin, right? Because at the bottom of this market, I decided to go all in on JasmyCoin and not only double down and triple down, right? I just wanted to have more for the long term of what it will be. Right? That was what I wanted to do, even though I didn't have a lot of money to throw anywhere. I bought SUI and I bought JasmyCoin. Right? Those are two plays that I decided to go all in on. That's all the money I had. At least free money. That's all the free money that I had. So I want to know what you guys think about having 3,000,000 JasmyCoin. Do you believe that's enough? Or do you think that we need tens of millions? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And again, thank you to FortisX for sponsoring this video. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.